Lucio.
Lucio?
Yes.
Okay.
Lucio.
And you were fishing?
Yes. Eight fishing.
8 fish?
8 fish.
Yeah. And when did you go fishing, Lucio? What time today?
It's 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock.
Yes, 7 o'clock.
And people can come fishing with you on your boat?
Yes, the boat.
Yeah. You take people fishing. What kind of fish?
Amberjack.
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 It's a type of tuna, no?
Yes,
It's a little bit like tuna, amberjack, right?
amberjack.
Yeah.
Family.
Yeah. And same family.
That's
barracuda.
That's barracuda, amberjack. Sometimes we catch mahi-mahi. The season we don't start now, but I think in the next month we'll start the season for mahi-mahi. We catch sailfish, blue marlin sometimes. You know, first yellowtail, jacks.
And if people want to fish with you, what do they do? Do they come to the beach here to meet you?
Yeah, when we one day before they make a reservation, and then we start to 7 o'clock. And it's the best time for fishing.
7 o'clock.
Yeah. Then we go for 4 hours. We try to get something trolling.
Trolling, you try
Yeah.
to get the fish.
Yeah.
And this is your captain?
Yeah, this is a capitan.
Yes.
Yeah. And how long he been your captain? How long you been the captain?
They have like 10 years working here.
10 years working here.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. How many kilos?
That is like a 10 kilos,
10 kilos.
around 10 to 12.
Very good.